Good morning everyone, students of class 4. I hope you all are doing great and welcome to your English language class. So children, we are over with chapter 4, 5 and 6. Chapter 4 is statement and question, chapter 5 questions and answers, and chapter 6 the WH family. So we are all done with these 3 chapters. We have done the explanations, we have done the exercises, and we have done the revisions too. I hope you understood and the revision has cleared your doubts. Okay, if you have any more doubts, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try and help you out in every possible way. So today we will move on to chapter number 7, which is the last part of this whole lot of questions and answers. That is chapter number 7, negative and positive sentences. So from the chapter name, we can understand what it is all about. It is all about the yes sentence and the no sentence. Yes sentence stands for positive sentence and no sentence stands for negative sentence. Okay. So here it is. Yes, no interrogative sentence are also known as positive and negative sentence. So we have done questions and answers. So there we had yes or no interrogative sentences, right? From there only positive and negative sentences come. Okay. So sentence with yes is called positive and sentence with no is called negative. These two lines are the whole chapter. Okay. So now we will read in details. This is page number 1818 of your book. Everybody please open this book and we'll start doing it. So Chapter 7, negative and positive sentences. Sentences that tell something are called positive. So any sentence which is telling us something is positive. And sentences that tell us something which is not true, which is incorrect, which is false, is known as negative sentence. Okay? For example, we can go to the mountains is a positive sentence. We cannot go to the mountains is a negative sentence. To put it very simple and to put it easy for you, wherever you find the words as no, not, never, none, nobody, no one is a negative sentence. Okay? Negative words are no, never, not, no one, nobody, no one. Okay? We have to understand what the sentence is all about, what the sentence is trying to give us the meaning. On that basis, we can judge the positive and negative sentences also. Okay? So let us read the positive and negative sentences below. Positive sentence, I am well. Negative, I am not well. See the use of the word not. Nita is happy. Nita is not happy. Not. Asif is ready to dance. Asif is not ready to dance. Not. We are lucky. We are not lucky. You are a liar. You are not a liar. Not. They are on time today. They are not on time today. Not. Shiba was ill yesterday. Shiba was not ill yesterday. Not. They were absent yesterday. They were not absent yesterday. Number 9. I can speak English. I cannot speak English. Cannot. We have a holiday tomorrow. We do not have a holiday tomorrow. So all the negative words. First, underline all the negative words in the negative sentences. Number 1, not. Number 2, not. Number 3, not. Number 4, not. Number 5, not. Number 6, not. Number 7, not. Number 8 also not. Number 9, cannot. Number 10, do not. Okay? You can as well underline the helping verbs. Okay, so to remember this, you have to remember the negative words. This is the simplest form of negative sentences which you can make. Then there are folds which we will understand step by step. Okay, so I have few examples for you. So see these sentences, children. Let us see whether it can be a positive or negative sentence. I mean, which can be a positive sentence and which is not, which is a negative sentence. Let us see. Number 1, the teacher is in the classroom. It's a positive sentence. Why? Because there is no negative word. Bricks are not made of clay. So it's a negative sentence. Why? Because not is there. Doctors and nurses work in hospital. It's a positive sentence. Sohan was not climbing the tree. It's a negative sentence. The old man do not give the money to his daughter. Negative sentence. We should not disobey our parents and elders. Negative sentence. I love my family very much. Positive sentence. Okay. So these are the answers for you. Okay. Positive, negative, positive, negative, negative, negative and positive sentences. Okay. So we will be doing much more of this, like whether these sentences are positive or negative. We'll do this, and then we will do also the change from positive to negative. First, you revise this page number 18 once more at home. So what did we learn today? We learned that sentence with yes is called positive, sentence with no is called negative. And also we learned that sentence that tell us something is positive, that sentence that tell us something which is not true or incorrect is negative. And these are the negative words like no, never, not, none, nobody, no one. This is the basic of the negative sentence. Then we will get into step by step. Okay, so these are the examples. You can copy the examples or you cannot copy the examples, up to you. And these are the answers. So that's it for today. We'll carry on with the same chapter in the next video. Okay, thank you everyone and God bless you.